If you have an excavator in the size range from 3 to 36 ton and you're after a grab that's going to consistently perform where and when you need it, whether that's soil erosion control, picking and sorting, or just general cleanup, stick around. In this video, we're going to go over our Multi-Grab Mk3 and we're going to show you why this is the grab you need. Hey guys, Lachlan here from Attach 2. In this video, we're going to be going over our multi-grab bucket. We want to show you how effective and reliable this grab option is for you, so stick around. So a key feature of our grab is going to be the placement of the oversized ram. So it is well hidden away, well protected. So of course this is going to help you with any hang-ups or anything like that. It is not going to get touched at all, which is great. Now, it does also have a detachable bolt-on plate down the base here, so if you do need to get there, it is easily accessible. Now, because the cylinder is not connected to the dipper arm, this is going to give you the full movement in the full crowd range without loss of grip strength or power as well, making it way more versatile. So every multi-grab bucket is going to come with an oversized hydraulic cylinder. So just maximizing the output we can get on this and making sure we give you as much grip strength as possible. In turn, we have made sure to put that integrated check valve within that cylinder on as a safety feature. So if any hang-ups or any hydraulic failures happen, that product is not going to drop. For everyone's safety on site, that is a massive thing. We made sure to also add oversized pins and bushes as well. So of course this is for wear and resistance, it's going to last a lot longer. So the large jaw opening is definitely a key feature here. So if you do pair this large opening with our high powered ram, you're going to be able to pick up very big and heavy objects with ease. And honestly, you will run out of machine balance power before you run out of the grip power of our multi-grab bucket. Now, we've specifically designed the hoses to be high and away from the material. This is always to prevent any hang-ups or any damage to those hoses, because obviously, downtime is not something you need. So we've also made sure to have welded on protection areas for you as well, just minimizing that risk for you. When we designed this bucket, we made sure to have HB 500 cheek plates, high wear areas on the cutting edges as well. This just in turn makes sure we have a longer life of the attachment, giving you a greater return on investment. Here at Attach 2, we back our customers and we want to give you the ultimate support. Therefore, every bucket from Attach 2 will be under our industry-leading 3-year warranty. So that's 3 years on all material and manufacturing defects, as well as 12 months on hydraulic components. We are extremely passionate about continuous improvement. That is one of our biggest mottos here at Attach 2. That's why this has moved from the Mark 1 all the way through to the Mark 3 model. And as you can see, the improvements are there. Look, price-wise, you'll see this grab option starts just over $6,000 and the biggest grab goes to about $25,000. This is all dependent on your machine and if it needs any modifications. We know for you as an earth-moving professional, you need attachments that are going to give you the greatest return on your investment. Now here at Attach 2, we have made sure to design and supply only the top tier quality of buckets, grabs and hitches. So if you're in the market for any more attachments, be sure, give us a call, send us an email and we will help you find your next performance package. With quality service and reliable backup support, you can count on Attach 2 to be your true single source attachment supplier.